Ever heard the saying, not your keys, not your coins? It's a big one in the crypto world, but what does it actually mean for platforms like Wealthsimple Crypto? If you're thinking about buying crypto on Wealthsimple, this video is for you. We'll break down ownership, security, and the pros and cons of using a custodial service like Wealthsimple to hold your crypto. Let's imagine you walk into a fancy car dealership. You see a shiny new Tesla and fall in love. They offer financing, but there's a catch: the dealership keeps the title. You can drive the car, but you can't sell it or trade it in without their permission. That might not be the best deal. In the world of crypto, the title is your private key. It's like a super secure password that grants access to your crypto holdings. With Wealthsimple, they hold the private keys, not you. This means you don't technically own your crypto in the same way you'd own a car or house. Wealthsimple acts as a custodian, managing your crypto on your behalf. So, why would anyone use a custodial service? Security is a major reason. Crypto wallets can be tricky to manage, and if you lose your private key, your crypto is gone forever. Wealthsimple uses industry-leading security practices to keep your crypto safe from hackers and theft. They also offer insurance on your holdings, which adds another layer of protection. Convenience is another perk. Wealthsimple makes it easy to buy, sell, and trade crypto within their app. No need to mess with complex wallets or transfers. It's a streamlined experience, perfect for beginners or those who don't want the hassle of self-custody. However, there are downsides. By giving up control of your private keys, you give up some control over your crypto. You can't transfer it to a different wallet, which limits your options for staking or using decentralized applications, dApps. Additionally, if Wealthsimple were to go bankrupt, your crypto holdings might be at risk. Here's the bottom line: there's no right or wrong answer. It depends on your needs and comfort level. If you're a crypto newbie prioritizing security and ease of use, Wealthsimple is a solid option. They provide a safe and user-friendly platform to get your feet wet in the crypto world. But if you're a crypto enthusiast who wants full control over your holdings and the ability to interact with DeFi protocols, then self-custody with a private wallet might be the better choice. Do your research, understand the risks and rewards, and choose the option that aligns best with your crypto goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.